Umgqatswa we-Democratic Alliance kwisikhundla sikasodolophu waseGoli uHelen Zille wondlale etafileni isicwangciso sokuvuselela uqoqosho lwedolophu xa iqela lakhe linokuphumelela kunyulo lorhulumente basekhaya luka-2026. Ethetha ngexesha lengxoxo yoqoqosho lwasezilokishini kwiholo yoluntu yase-Orlando West, i-Uncle Tops, ngaphambili namhlanje, uZille uthi ulawulo lwakhe luza kusebenzisana ngokusondeleneyo namashishini amancinci ukuphucula ukufikelela kwinkonzo ezisisiseko ukuze kuphuhle imisebenzi yamashishini asakhasayo. Ukwaqaphela imingeni enzulu ejongene nesixeko esithi kungathatha ukuya kwiminyaka emihlanu ukuguqula ngokupheleleyo iGoli.
Njengoba inhlangano yeTEXA ihlela imihlangano nalabo abaqokelwe ukuba izimeya kumkhandlu iGoli, namuhla ibambe inkulumo ngxoxo noHelen Zille omele iDA nokuyilapho ehlahlele khona izinhlelo zakhe zokufukula osomabhizinisi basemalokishini.
Then it was clear to me today that people do not have access to support and help, for example, to write a business plan, to understand their market, to access finance, to scale finance. And what I will do when I become the mayor is to be sure that we have a desk that can help people through all of that with all the information they need about how to get access to those things. That is going to be very important. I've been very impressed by some of the businesses I see around here today, and we've got to scale their markets because these businesses really produce lovely stuff.
uZille uphinde waveza ukuthi ngenxa yomonakalo khona kulo masipala waseGoli ubona ukuthi kungathatha iminyaka emihlanu nangaphezulu ukulungisa isimo.
And to get the basics right, we're going to have to focus on the infrastructure that is so broken, get that working and build from there. But it's going to be difficult. We will work very, very hard to do it. We have to turn around as soon as we can. We have to turn the city around to start building again.
uBhekithwala obehlelele inkulumo ngxoxo nomengameli weTEXA uthi lokhu bakwenzela ukwakha ubudlelwano nalowo yonqoba ukhetho ukuze ethengena ebese nolwazi lonke ngokudingwa umphakathi.
Once the mayor has been elected as the mayor, we also want to create the Township Economy Desk within the mayoral office so that Township Economy gets budgets from this mayoral, candidates. For example, the issue or the idea of the desk, it wants to achieve exactly that. So that at the end of the day, we make sure that we make follow-ups because we'll be sitting and make sure that Township Economy is not left behind. Now we're sitting in those tables to make sure that at the end of the day, they do what they promise, to do.
Kanti ke phakathi kokunye okuthe kwahlaluka kule nkulumo ngxoxo, uZille ke uphinde waveza ukuthi bazobhekana nokushintshwa kwemithetho ezindawo ukuze uhulumeni uzoba namandla ukulwa nenkinga yamabhilidi kanye nezindawo ezidliwe ngokungafanele. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Miyeni ngese-Orlando West.